This video demonstrates how to add or remove line space in email signature template using Sigsync Signature Editor. Sigsync provides the new line component to add a line space between any two signature fields which are placed side by side in a single row. Similarly, you can combine two vertically aligned signature fields into a single row by removing the line space. For instance, if the two fields such as name and job title need to be placed side by side in a single row, simply drag and drop the new line component between them. To return the job title field to the previous row, click the new line arrow field and delete it from keyboard or toolbar. Let's see the steps to add and remove the new line in your signature template. Here the job title and company name fields are in the same row. Let's move the company name to the next row using new line component. Drag and drop the new line component into the design pane. Enter the number of new lines required and click the Apply button. Now, a new line space gets added between the signature fields and you can preview the changes in the preview pane. Let's see how to remove the line space between the signature field. Select the new line component from the design pane, then click the delete icon. Preview the changes. Try Sigsync for free today.